Hello guys, today I would like to present Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing application used to create, edit, format, save and printing document. It is a part of Microsoft Word. Uses of Microsoft Word: first, writing letters; second, prepare reports; third, insert pictures and graphs; and the fourth, printing document. Main part of Microsoft Word. Title bar. Title bar, it disappears the name of the document and the program. Ribbon. Ribbon, the area that contains tabs, command groups used to perform different tasks. Document area. Document area, the workspace where users types and edit text. Status bar. Status bar, disappear information such as page number, word count, and document status. Importance of tabs in Microsoft Word. Home tabs, used for changing fonts, adjusting font size, copy and pasting content. Insert tabs. Insert tabs, used for tables, used for pictures, used for page numbers. Design tabs. Design tabs, used to change the overall appearance of the document. Layout of tabs. Layout of tabs, used for changing orientation, used for creating columns. Reference tabs. Reference tabs, used for creating tabs of content, used for adding footnotes. Review tabs. Review tabs, used for spelling and grammar checking, and used for adding comments. View tabs. View tabs, used to change the way of the document. Disappeared. Stamp for creating new document. Stamp for creating new document. The first stamp, open Microsoft Word. The second stamp, select blank document. And the third stamp, type your contact. And the fourth stamp, save the document by pressing Ctrl S. And the fifth stamp, choose a location and enter a file name. Advantage of Microsoft Word. The first advantage, making a document printing simple and professional. The second advantage, it includes spelling and grammar checking tools. Common keyboarding shortcut. Napoambiwa common keyboarding shortcut. Ctrl N. Ctrl N, create a new document. Ctrl S, save a document. Ctrl O, open document. Ctrl Z, undo. Ctrl U, underline text. Ctrl P, printing a document. Ctrl A, selecting all. Conclusion of Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word is a powerful processing application used to create professional documents such as letters, reports, book, and other writing material. It is an essential for students, teachers, and office.